Hi, I'm Minnie Sinclair, and this is my 2020 Mercedes AMG GTR. I purchased this car after having a 2018 F80 M3. Really got my eye just based on aesthetics. The sleek lines and the aggressive front bonnet is what really drew me to it initially. And then when I finally got a chance to test drive it, I bought it that day. I purchased a silver AMG and unfortunately wanted the green, so did end up getting it wrapped by the wonderful guys at Dedicated Auto, who have done an amazing job changing it to the exact color of my liking. She is my daily, so I apologize for the filthiness. She goes everywhere, to Tractor Supply, to buy chicken supplies, and also she was at the barn for a horseback riding lesson yesterday, so spends most of her days just dirty. She's fantastic as a daily drive because she's very well behaved, no nonsense, just on the road getting to work. But when it's time to play, she can really open up and let you see what she's got. She's got 577 horsepower. She's a 4.0 liter V8. She's a hot V. I do have a track day in May, so I can let you know more after that.